Now Olukoyede or whoever they call EFCC say
yes.
it is Yahoo boys that are shaming the country.
Yes.
That they are the one that
conniving with some
politicians. Forget
corrupt
politically exposed politician. I'm not saying I support Yahoo boys. Okay, but between Yahoo boys and the man that brought in aeroplane, paint it, we cut ribbon, and we did party. And that airplane
they put blow go up. Newspaper they can take out. Wow.
Never fly one day.
They said that very day.
Not like that.
He go back again, go carry people for Ethiopia.
So
they don't book him.
That plane.
That the same plane. They book him that very day for Ethiopia. People don't pay like airpiece now. People don't already pay for grant.
Yes.
They just bring a showdown one, paint up. As they do and finish, the plane fly back. They come out the Nigeria flag, carry people normally. Go the normal traveling.
Who is a bigger Yahoo?
Chook Pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.